In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable WhatsApp notifications in Hostinger. If you want to receive important updates from your Hostinger account through WhatsApp, this is a quick setting you can turn on in just a moment. It's useful if you prefer getting alerts in a messaging app that you already check regularly, instead of relying only on email or dashboard notifications. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to do once you're there. To begin, open your Hostinger account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside the account dashboard, take a second to look around so you can easily spot the main account controls. Most of the settings you'll need are grouped under your account area, so this part is very straightforward. Next, click on your profile. This is usually where Hostinger keeps personal account options, preferences, and other settings related to how your account works. If you're not sure where it is, look toward the top area of the dashboard, where profile or account icons are commonly placed. After you open your profile section, you'll be able to access more detailed account preferences. From there, click on Notification Settings. This is the section where you can manage how Hostinger contacts you and which types of alerts you want to receive. It's a good idea to review this page carefully because it gives you control over the communication methods connected to your account. Once you're in Notification Settings, look for the WhatsApp option. Here you can simply mark the checkbox for WhatsApp notifications. If there are multiple WhatsApp-related options available, go ahead and check the ones you want enabled. This lets you customize which notifications are sent through WhatsApp depending on your preferences. Before leaving the page, take a quick look to make sure the boxes are checked correctly. That helps confirm your selection and reduces the chance of missing important account updates later. If the page includes a save or confirmation action, make sure your changes are applied before you exit. And that's it. You've now enabled WhatsApp notifications in Hostinger. It's a simple setting, but it can make account alerts more convenient and easier to keep up with. If you found this helpful, you can use the same general process to review other notification options in your account as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.